How to fix WhatsApp microphone not working on iPhone. Let's get right into the video. Open settings of your phone and then scroll down. Go ahead and tap on privacy. After that, you wanna tap on microphone. Now see if WhatsApp is enabled. If WhatsApp is not enabled, you'll not be able to access microphone for your WhatsApp. This might solve your problem, and next thing that you can do is you wanna go to the settings again and then scroll down, open WhatsApp. As soon as you do that, you'll be able to access to what WhatsApp can access, and then make sure microphone is turned on or microphone is enabled. Your microphone is not working even if you have done all of this. Next thing you can do is you can go to the settings again, scroll down a little bit and tap on screen time. Tap on content and privacy restrictions. Here you want to disable content and privacy restrictions. Even if it's enabled, you want to make sure that microphone is accessible through WhatsApp. To see that, you want to go down and tap on microphone. Here you want to enable WhatsApp. If all these steps still not work, you want to go back to the settings homepage again. This time you want to tap on general, then scroll down to the bottom and tap on transfer and reset iPhone. Here tap on reset and your iPhone will be reset. I really hope this video helped you out to solve microphone problem in WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching till the end.